Hi everyone, welcome to A New Natural Home with Jennifer. I have discovered the world's best smelling laundry detergents. Thanks for joining me today. This video is sponsored by Hiketron, and Hiketron emailed me to see if they could be on Natural Home with Jennifer to share their laundry detergents with you. I became intrigued when I read about the detergents and all of their amazing properties and amazing scents, so I'm excited to feature them on the channel today. So Hiketron sent me 2 of their full-size laundry detergents in Mambo Man and Royal Linen, and they also sent me their little sample set with all of their scents so that I could try them out for you in today's video. Spoiler alert, they arrived last night, and I am blown away by the scents in these laundry detergents. So after I go through these and tell you what they smell like, I'm going to be doing a load of laundry for each of them. So I have all my laundry piled up waiting to go for this. Let's talk a little bit about Hiketron. So Hiketron is a family business. They are a new startup from Texas, and the founders of the business are former chemical engineers. And so there's a lot of science behind these products. And what they wanted to do with this detergent is take out all of the nasty, harsh chemicals that are harmful for you and the environment and create a laundry detergent that is effective, smells good, much better for the environment and for you, which is hard to do. And I see what they mean. Their thought process was that natural laundry detergents aren't that effective. And then, you know, traditional laundry detergents are full of harsh chemicals. So they are somewhere in between. This is not a totally natural product. As they mentioned, there are some synthetics in here, but they've taken out all of the harsh nasties. So let's get into what sets Hiketron apart. So they have 5 times ultra concentrated products. And most regular laundry detergents are 1 time concentrated, which means they're about 80 to 90% water. Okay, these are 5 times concentrated, so you don't need to use as much. The Hiketron products are the Tesla of laundry detergents. I like that. Most diluted products are made with harmful chemicals that damage your fabrics and your health and safety, but Hiketron's laundry detergents are made with sugar-based surfactants that are 96% biodegradable and very mild on the skin while cleaning extraordinarily well. Another feature about these is that you do not need a softener, a scent booster, or dryer sheets when you use this detergent. So I will not be using these with any fabric softener, or I won't even be using them with my wool dryer balls. So we're gonna see how they clean. They're also free of dyes, optical brighteners, phosphates, and dioxane. And they deliver a long-lasting scent. So let's see if it lives up to the promises. I'm excited to just describe these scents to you because they are incredible. So they sent me the full size of the Royal Linen and the Mambo Man, and so I'm just going to go to Royal Linen first. And this is such a fresh scent. And I love how they describe them. They describe them like they're high-end perfumes. I'm not kidding. So I feel like I'm in some chic boutique in France smelling high-end perfumes. So the way they describe Royal Linen is, it's a classic, sophisticated, fresh scent with powdery nuances, crisp and sheer, with notes of white musk and a sandalwood base. So this, it does smell like Royal Linens. Like this is what you would imagine the Queen's bed sheets would smell like. It just smells so powdery, fresh, and royal and regal. It smells so good, Royal Linen. I could see why they sent me the full size in this because this is amazing. It smells like a woman's perfume, but a really high-end, nice one. So I love that. It's powdery. Okay, I have to describe Mambo Man for you. So they were going on about Mambo Man, about the scent that is meant for men, which is nice to have a man's laundry detergent finally, because, you know, laundry detergents could smell good, but does your man really want to go walking around smelling like a petunia? Probably not. So Mambo Man, I love the name. Okay, I smelled this last night. This scent is so incredible. It's like the best thing I've ever smelled in a laundry detergent by far. I can't believe it. It's like this is a high-end men's cologne, a really nice one. If this was a cologne, I would buy it for my husband. It smells so good. And the thing about it is that there's like base and top notes, like a high-end cologne or perfume. So let's see what they say about it. It says, indulge yourself with a classic and sophisticated fresh scent infused with lime, lavender, bergamot, and verbena, with a hint of orange blossom, cinnamon, and lily of the valley as middle notes, rounded with cedar, sandalwood, and patchouli and musk as a base, And yes, that musk, that's what I'm smelling. It's like an amazing musk scent. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wash my clothes in this. And they were saying that women wash their own clothes in this as well because it smells so good. This reminds me of, you know, like when you smell your future husband for the first time and you just think about that scent, or you smell one of his sweaters and it's so good. It's like that. It's a very romantic scent. It's really incredible. I'll talk about Cotton Fresh. See what they say about Cotton Fresh. And this is like a very cheerful, just laundry powdery scent, I think. So let's see what they say about it. It says, indulge yourself with a rich floral blend of rose, carnation, violet, and a creamy jasmine with a hint of citrus note, and impress your guests with the luxurious feel and smell of towels and linens. So yes, it's very fresh and cheerful and floral. I also sense powder in here, but they don't say that, but it's good. It's like fresh linen scent. So that one is very nice. The Clear and Powerful is like they're free and clear, so it doesn't really have a scent. And this is what I will be using to wash the baby's things in. So Clear and Powerful, luxurious laundry detergent. Let's see what they say about it. 5 times Clear and Powerful liquid laundry detergent formulation is crafted with biodegradable plant-derived ingredients, safe synthetic polymers, and bioenzymes that offer powerful cleaning, unparalleled mildness, and impressive stain-fighting system. Yes, it's very mild, I can tell that. Okay, and let's talk about Suit Up. I'm missing one here. See, but let's do Suit Up first. Suit Up, it does smell like an evergreen or like the woods. Let's see what it says. Indulge yourself with a woody oriental aroma opened with citrus blend of lemon and grapefruit and develops with jasmine, patchouli, and incense with ginger undertones supported with vetiver, cedar, and musk. Yes, it's that cedar. It smells like cedar and musk. So if you like that, this is a good one. This is definitely a masculine fragrance. And so that one is nice too. I still like Mambo Man the best. I'm missing one here. Bold Man. Let me go get it. Okay, here's Bold Man. So they have 3 laundry detergents for men, which is nice. Yes, this one is quite strong. I sense citrus in it. Let me see what they say. Bold Man liquid laundry detergent formulation is crafted specifically for men to deliver a long-lasting masculine fragrance on all your apparel. Indulge yourself with a classic and sophisticated fresh scent infused with citrus notes, a touch of rosemary, followed by the heart notes of black pepper, cardamom, sandalwood, oak moss, musk, tonka bean, and cedar. So this one is nice too. Definitely Mambo Man and Royal Linen are my 2 favorite, but the rest of them are very nuanced and nice as well. So I am really excited. I'm going to go do a lot of laundry now. It might take me a few days to shoot this video, but I'm excited to see how they actually perform. Very impressed with the high-end boutique scents that these have. Really impressed, so I'm excited. Let's go. Okay, everyone, I have a load full of my children's clothes. A lot of these are my baby's clothes, so I'm going to be using the Clear and Powerful here. So they sent me the sample size. And I'm just going to use 3/4 of this. This is 2 ounces. So I'm going to use 3/4 of it here, roughly. I think that's probably about it. And let's see how that cleans the clothes. Okay, so this is the Clear and Powerful load that I wash the kids' clothes in, and a lot of these are the baby's clothes, so that's why I wanted to do that. But right off the bat, I'm just really impressed with how soft they are. I didn't use any fabric softener or fabric sheets or even my wool dryer balls. So, you know, it's so soft. So it really does have softening agents inside of it. It's really amazing. So now I'm going to do the Royal Linen. Check out the pile of laundry I have here. This is real life, okay? This is from after the holidays. I have all these extra blankets and things that I need to wash. So I'm going to do the towels and some of the bath mats down there in the Royal Linen. wash. So I've got my sun right here, and the towels just came out of the dryer, so they're still warm. They smell so good. I love the scent of that royal linen. It smells really good, and they're soft too, especially this. You can really judge how the towels are soft by the bath mats. So, and actually I have been told that you shouldn't use fabric softener anyway with towels, so I don't use it anyway, but usually the towels come out a bit harder, a bit crisper, but they're soft, so this is good. And the scent is good. So it'll be interesting to see if the scent lasts, which I think it will. Okay, so I'm going to try the famous Mambo Man detergent right now, and I am actually washing the duvet and sheets for the master bedroom. So let's see how they smell after Mambo Man. Okay, this is the one that I have been waiting for. It's Mambo Man, and I washed my sheets in it. This is the most incredible scent. It's so good. This is my favorite by far, so far, with royal linen coming in a close second, but it's so good. And I wouldn't even just use this for men. I mean, I would just use this for my clothes too. Okay, so I washed my clothes in the Cotton Fresh, and I just put the ones that I hang up to dry. I have some tights back there, some camisoles, and then my dress is here. This is a sweater. So I'm not going to put these in the dryer, but basically the Cotton Fresh is very strong. I think it's the strongest that I've noticed out of the scents so far. And I mean, it's really nice. My favorite is still the Mambo Man. So I love that scent. I'm kind of wishing I washed my clothes in that scent, but I'll definitely do that next time. So anyway, I really smell the Cotton Fresh, and I washed these on cold, and you know, everything looks good. Everything looks really clean, and that's it. So I'm just gonna let these dry up here, and I will put the other ones in the dryer and then fold those. Okay, everybody, it's at the end of the night. I'm so tired. Okay, so this load is the second to last load I have. This one is the Cotton Fresh. These are the ones that I actually put in the dryer that I did not hang up, and it's just pajamas and undergarments and a few of the kids' clothes and things like that. And I have the blankets that have the Bold Man in the dryer right now, and that smells like cedar. It smells so good. So anyway, I'm just gonna fold these clothes. They're really soft. What do you think of this one, honey? She smelled the Mambo Man, and what did you thought it was great, right? You thought it smelled like lavender, but this is a different one. What do you think?
That's pretty good.
Yeah. We like Mambo Man best, but Cotton Fresh is nice. It's just a nice, fresh, you know, scent. These are my pajamas, by the way, folding them. Morning, everybody. It's the next day, and I have done 2 loads of laundry today. So last night, actually, I did the Bold Man for this girly blanket back here, and this one as well. So when I woke up this morning, they were in the dryer, and it's lovely. It reminds me of a cabin in the woods. That cedar scent is really prominent in the Bold Man, and that's also in the Suit Up, by the way. So I did a few of Ben's clothes in the Suit Up. Ben's actually in England right now, otherwise I would definitely have him weigh in on this review. Maybe I could do another video where I do like a blind test where he smells them and tells me which one is his favorite. That would be kind of fun. But anyway, I really enjoyed testing out these laundry products. My favorite, of course, you know this, is Mambo Man. Royal Linen is a very close second. And you know, the rest are really good too. So they sell a sample pack. So if you're interested, you could just get that and sample them to see, you know, because everybody's different. So what I like might not be what you like necessarily. So that's it. They gave me a coupon code, Jenny25. And that gives you 25% off of your order. So I'll leave all the information below. The price point for these detergents is a little higher than people probably normally spend. It comes to just under $1 a load, pretty much, if you just do regular or standard size loads. But then keep in mind, you're not using fabric softener or dryer sheets or anything like that. And the scent is really amazing. So I walked into my linen closet this morning, and it was like, I smelled Mambo Man and Royal Linen, and it was so nice. It was just it's very fragrant, so the scent lasts. And if that's something you're interested in, you know, a lot of people like scent like I do, then I think you should try these. I think they're really, really good. So high quality product. Thank you so much to Hiketron for sending me these detergents. I really love discovering these new companies that I wouldn't otherwise know about. So I hope that this video proves useful to you as well. Thank you so much for joining me today on Natural Home with Jennifer, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.